Junkyard again. It's a redskin.
What's up, guys? We are going to the junkyard. Okay, we are going to the junkyard. This is TTL is the base, and then there's the 08 one, which usually I'll go get for the GPS, the Navi, and the harness. So we'll check those ones out, and maybe I'll get the ECU out those stuff because you can use that and convert it to a compatible a year to tune. But yeah, we'll go check it out. We're here, but it is messed up, the meters. We'll go ahead and take the backup camera and the front fog light. The other one's over there. Base, nothing crazy. I'm probably just gonna be taking parts off this one. Alright guys, we picked up another set. So we got the backup camera, Navi drive, and another ECU and the harness. Something you can put in your pocket. So I probably paid about maybe a total of 80 bucks for everything. And actually, and 2 fog lights, which I have over here. So yes, I have that, and there's actually another one we're gonna go check out on the other junkyard. So let's go check out that one, and we might actually get the exact same stuff again. But yeah. All right, everything looks good. And we're probably gonna take the side mirrors and probably I'll take the Navi drive and everything as well. So let's get into it. Right now I'm gonna take the ECU out. Figure I'll show you guys. So we chopped the glove box, and now we are going to pop off the screws, pop off this trim, and there's a few screws in there. But yeah, let me set you up. You're gonna see maybe without taking this trim off, but it's actually right here. And go ahead and see. Yeah, we should be good without taking the trim off. Take off this piece. You see it's right here. We're gonna go ahead and loosen that 10 mil down there in the harness. Unplug all of it, and then we'll work on the other side. And there's a 10 mil right under there. Now you can see there's a 10 mil. We're going to remove that, and then we'll go to the other side. On the other side, we're going to remove that 10 mil right there, and then we'll be able to get it from the other side we were just on. Got the ECU out. I actually got the Navi drive for the 0708. Make sure you get the codes for it. They're by the glove box. And then, yeah, we're going to go ahead and take off this so we can get the panel off up here. And then the harness, just to show you where the codes are. Those will be right here on the side of it. It looks like this. back to another video. We are going to the Junkyard right now. On the photo, it looks like a full Aspec kit. We'll see when we get there if it is or not. I don't need to keep my hopes up too much because there's always someone that could always beat me there, even if it's only been like less than 24 hours. So we'll see if it's there. If it is, there's a chance to be a full Aspec kit, 0406 base. But if not, then it's whatever. But yeah, I'll see you guys there. Look who decided to show up. I'll wait for them to open up.
Time to open.
8. And could even air out? Like, that's messed up.
Yeah, people damn. It was easy.
Alright, so we got the rear lip, front lip, and 3 out of 4 side skirts. This one's all destroyed. Not worth it. We got 2 here. He took the Aspec deck lip. I took the badge.
They try to take the glove compartment off.
Let you know how much they charge me for all this. Oh, nice. Look at that. He found the bumper plugs. Those are rare. That's good. So those $60 a pair all day.
Right?
Check inside here. Any rare trims? Don't look like there is any. That's pretty cool. I always like that. No, everything looks stock. These seats are very nice. Seats are nice in here. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the trunk. If you don't know, the trunk latch is right in here. There you can see the trunk latch. Oh, didn't pull it. Try it again. There it goes. Whoa, Aspec parts. Okay. Floor mats. Custom exhaust. No. You gonna take the seats?
Clips.
Oh, the clips. Dude, there's hella TLs. You can get hella clips today.
They're both hella though.
Yeah, maybe the white one might be good. She's over here grabbing the seat latch thing because, as you know, everyone breaks them because they don't know how to take it off. So he's pulling those off. All you do is pull that lever and it releases it instead of just pulling your seat up. Alright guys, so I got the back rear lip, 3 out of 4 side skirts, and 1 front lip right there. And I only paid $70 for all of it because there's a 40% off today, so we came up real good here. Alright guys, I haven't picked up the camera for a while. We are going to the Junkyard. The battery might die, so I'm gonna make this quick. And yeah, let's go see what we find at the 07 that just barely got there about a day ago, and we're gonna check it out. Alright, got an 0708. We're gonna probably take the headlights off and the fog lights. Usually I'll grab the mirrors, but I'm so lazy, so we're not gonna grab the mirrors this time around. I can, but I'm not going to. It didn't sell too good last time. But yeah, this is 0708. We got the headlight and the 2 fogs. We'll go pay for those. Help me. And we'll pay for them. See how much it costs us. Alright. We got it all. Got it all for $115. Not bad. $15 for 2 headlights and 2 fog lights. Alright, we're gonna go to the Junkyard right now. This is gonna be the Junkyard flip video. We're gonna go to that one TL most likely that we saw with the mirrors with the 0708, because I want to see if it's still there so I can get it for my cousin or Eric, whoever wants them. And then yeah, we're gonna go over there. See you guys at the Junkyard. We're here.
We're here at the car meet.
At the car meet that we're talking about. Put off the side mirrors for my cousin. We got
these trim pieces right here for H2O Creations, you know?
Yeah, H2O, hit him up. You know, hook my boy up. We don't have time to watch this, it's probably already done. He probably already got his stuff back. But yeah, this is it. 0708 base. We saw this previously.
This too, huh?
Oh yeah, you can hydro dip that.
Not hydro dip, carbon fiber. Everything.
Yeah, we just will take a look at everything. All right, so we're here. She got some pieces for HTO. I got these from IT. I want to put back the stock. These are for my cousin. We're gonna get the pricing and yeah. What's up, guys? I didn't record, but I went to the junkyard and you see my short and picked up this. Let me change the batteries. Already turning green. All right, like I was saying, I went to the junkyard, picked up this Type S rear, not Type S, this Space Model rear lip off a TL. And I was asked if it fits. So this is a Type S rear bumper with a base lip. Of course, I got the base exhaust on. Tips will be a little bit kind of wider, so you might have to trim it a little bit for a Type S trims. But overall, the fitment looks like it fits perfect. You know, right now it's not bolted up, of course, but when you have it on, it'll be on there. Same thing with all this. But yeah, if you're ever curious, you could put a base model lip on a Type S rear bumper. You're at the junkyard again. Should be a silver one for my GoPro, so I'm using my phone. Let's see if you can find it. It should be down here somewhere. This looks like it's all fucked up already. Interior. Nothing crazy. Great interior. Yep, we're gonna go to another one also and check that one. That one barely came in like today, I think, so we're gonna go check that one out too. Nothing crazy in here. That's it at all. Yep, and this one probably got sideswiped or something. Alright guys, see you guys in the next clip. Alright, I pull, you pull. Another one just got here, and you can see these are the roll cars are barely putting in. It's right back here. There's jams in there. Let's take a look. Nothing. Nothing special on this one either. Won't look too much farther. We'll wrap it up right here. And yeah, let's get the hell out of here. Alright, we are going to the junkyard. I forgot my GoPro, so we're using my phone. I'm gonna go ahead and check out this one that does not normally have an inventory, and we'll see if we can find anything there. See you guys soon. We got a 0708, but nothing good. I could take the ECU, or they might have grabbed it already. Looks like backup camera. I don't need it. Nav screen, don't need it. Mirrors are broken. Nothing good on this one. Very rare, and also no way to come in this color. It's like navy blue. Actually, there's a TL right here. Let's check this one out. Nothing good here. They literally destroyed it. Even the mirror, they kind of dented it up. Looks like a base model, anyway. Yeah, this looks like my old car. Nothing good, really. Alright, I think that's it for here. There's actually an element I'm gonna go check out, but I won't record that just because that's my new daily right now. Yep. There's nothing at that junkyard. That'll be it for today. They're just all stripped out and nothing good. But I did get a glove box from my element, which is nice. But yeah, take you guys along the next time.